Are you a tutor looking for the best way to get paid quickly, securely, and easily? In this video, I'll walk you through the best way to get paid as a tutor, covering everything from traditional methods like cash to modern digital platforms like Cash App, Zelle, Venmo, and PayPal. So stick around to find out why Cash App might just be the ultimate choice for tutors everywhere. Also, if you haven't signed up for Cash App yet, you can use my link down below and we'll both get $5. Number one, the classic choice, cash. Let's start with the old school classic, cash payments. If you're a tutor working locally, cash is often the easiest and most straightforward method. It's as simple as it gets, no apps to download, no accounts to set up, and no digital trails to worry about. For many tutors and clients, the physical exchange of money feels satisfying and tangible, giving a sense of immediate closure to each transaction. And cash is particularly useful for in-person tutoring sessions, allowing you to collect payment immediately after each lesson. This method works well if you tutor clients within your community, whether at their homes and libraries or at other local venues. It's also a good option for one-off season or irregular clients who may not want to commit to a digital payment setup. However, while cash is straightforward, it's not without its challenges. Carrying large amounts of cash can be risky, as it increases the chance of loss or theft. Additionally, tracking your income for budgeting or tax purposes becomes more cumbersome without digital records. Writing down each transaction manually can feel like an outdated chore, especially when other payment methods automate this process for you. Another drawback to consider is its limitations to in-person payments. For online tutoring or clients who are far away, cash becomes impractical. Plus, with the rise of digital solutions, many clients prefer cashless options that allow them to pay securely from their devices. Although cash remains a reliable backup option, modern methods like Cash App, Zelle, or Venmo provide greater convenience and flexibility for both tutors and clients alike. As a result, cash may work well for traditionalists, but embracing digital alternatives can help streamline payments and make your tutoring business more efficient. Number two, convenient and secure Zelle for instant bank transfers. Next up is Zelle, a trusted option for secure bank-to-bank transfers. For tutors looking for immediate and hassle-free payments, Zelle stands out as an excellent choice. With no processing fees and near instant transactions, Zelle offers convenience that's hard to beat. It's supported by most major banks in the United States, making it easy to access for both you and your clients. The only information required to send or receive money is an email address or phone number, streamlining the payment process even further. And for tutors, Zelle's instant payment feature is a game changer. Whether you're tutoring in person or online, your client can send a payment during or after the session and the money will appear in your account almost immediately. This eliminates the frustrating waiting periods associated with other methods. Zelle is particularly effective for regular clients who prefer recurring payments, as they can set up quick transfers without having to deal with cash or any other apps. However, just like everything else, Zelle isn't without its limitations. Since it's designed for domestic transactions, it's not suitable for international tutoring clients. Additionally, unlike platforms like PayPal, Zelle doesn't offer buyer or seller protection. This means that while payments are secure, they rely on mutual trust between you and your clients. Clear communication is key when using Zelle to ensure all parties are on the same page. But despite these drawbacks, Zelle remains an excellent option for tutors operating within the US. Its simplicity, speed, and seamless integration with most banking apps makes it a strong contender for those who value convenience. If you trust your clients and prefer a straightforward method, Zelle might just be the perfect payment solution for your tutoring business. Number three, it's digital and popular, Venmo for personal and professional use. Venmo has become one of the most popular digital payment platforms, especially for younger clients or those who are tech savvy. With Venmo, payments are easy as sending a text message. And you can even add notes or emoji to make things fun and clear. For tutors, Venmo offers a lot of flexibility. You can create a business profile if you're tutoring as a full-time job, making it easier to separate your professional income from your personal payments. Plus, Venmo allows you to transfer funds to your bank account within one business day or instantly for a small fee. The platform is particularly useful for online tutoring sessions or clients who prefer digital payments. However, keep in mind that Venmo charges a 1.9% fee for payments marked as business transactions. This fee is worth it if you're building a professional tutoring service and need a streamlined way to get paid. Venmo's social aspect showing payment activity to your network might not appeal to everyone, so make sure you adjust your privacy settings as needed. Overall though, Venmo is a versatile and user-friendly option for tutors looking to get paid digitally. Number 4, international reach, PayPal for global payments. If you tutor clients from around the globe, PayPal is an indispensable tool for managing payments seamlessly. Having been a leader in the digital payment space for decades, payment is trusted worldwide for its secure and reliable service. It's especially ideal for online tutors with international clients, thanks to its ability to handle multiple currencies and facilitate cross-border transactions effortlessly. One of PayPal's standout features is its versatility. As a tutor, you can send invoices, request payments, and even set up subscription services for recurring clients. These tools provide a professional touch, allowing you to manage your payments systematically. The platform also offers detailed transaction records, which are helpful for budgeting and tracking income for tax purposes down the road. However, it is important to consider the associated fees. For domestic transaction, PayPal charges around a 2.9% plus a fixed fee, and the costs are slightly higher for international payments. While these fees can add up, they're often justified by the platform's convenience and global reach. Another factor to keep in mind is PayPal's strict buyer and seller protection policies. While these policies are designed to safeguard users, they can sometimes lead to account holds if dispute arises. Ensuring clear communication and accurate service descriptions with your clients can help avoid these situations. But despite these few minor drawbacks, PayPal's global accessibility makes it an excellent choice for tutors working with students from different countries. Whether you're teaching math to a student in Canada, coding to a client in India, or English to learners in Europe, PayPal's robust features ensure you can get paid quickly and securely. For tutors aiming to expand their services internationally, PayPal provides a reliable, professional, and a versatile payment solution that's worth considering. Number 5, why Cash App is the best way to get paid as a tutor. Finally, let's talk about Cash App, the ultimate payment solution for tutors. If you're looking for a method that combines simplicity, speed, and affordability, Cash App should be your go-to choice. And here's why. Well, Cash App is incredibly easy to set up. All you need is an email or a phone number and you're good to go. Unlike some other platforms, there's no hidden fees or complicated account setups. Cash App makes the process honestly seamless, so you can focus on what matters most. One of Cash App's standout features is its transparency. Unlike platforms that sneak in processing fees, Cash App offers straightforward pricing with no surprises. For tutors, this means you keep more of your hard-earned money. Another reason that you'd want to choose Cash App is its instant payment feature. Whether you're working with local clients or conducting online sessions, you can receive payments instantly and transfer them to your bank account for free. If you need the money immediately, there's a minimal fee for instant withdrawals, but it's well worth the convenience. Cash App also offers additional features and additional things like a free cash card, which allows you to access your funds directly. You can even invest in stocks or Bitcoin with the Cash App balance, giving you more flexibility in managing your earnings. And when compared to other platforms and its competitors, Cash App stands out for its ease of use, transparency, and its speed. Whether you're a part-time tutor or running a full-fledged tutoring business, Cash App makes getting paid simple and stress-free. Why choosing the right payment method matters. As a tutor, getting paid efficiently and securely is crucial. Each payment method we've discussed, which is Cash, Zelle, Venmo, PayPal, and Cash App, has its strengths, but the right choice depends on your specific needs. For local in-person sessions, Cash remains a reliable option. Zelle is perfect for instant bank transfers with no fees, while Venmo adds a touch of modern convenience and fun. PayPal is the go-to choice for international tutors who need global accessibility. But honestly, if you're looking for the best overall payment method, Cash App checks all of the boxes. Its simplicity, lack of hidden fees, and instant payment features make it the perfect solution for tutors who want to focus on their work without worrying about complicated payment systems. So what's the best way to get paid as a tutor? Well, the answer is clear. Cash App. Whether you're just starting out or already a seasoned tutor, Cash App's user-friendly features and transparent pricing make it the absolute ideal choice. So are you ready to make your tutoring business thrive? Choose the payment method that works best for you, and don't forget to explore Cash App for a stress-free and efficient way to get paid. And there you have it. Those are the best ways to get paid as a tutor. From cash to digital platforms, each method has its perks, but Cash App takes the crown for its ease of use and its transparency. Give it a try and see how much smoother your tutoring business can run. Don't forget to like, share, and most importantly, subscribe for more tips. And also, if you haven't signed up for Cash App yet, you can use my link down below and we'll both get $5. But with that being said, happy tutoring.